All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Transit. It is the mid-roof short wheelbase T-250. Let me back this vehicle up. T-250 with 25,000 miles. Beautiful white with the gray vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system. Backup camera, power windows, power door locks. Super nice. And best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your hood looks pretty good. I see a little chip there. Another one there. That seems to be just some dirt, some chip there. That's about it. This fender looks pretty good. Can't find my... I need to get my ruler. My tire pressure checker. 1 second. All right, and I found it. Check out your tire pressure. Boom, over 830 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have some dents. Has one here, a line like that, and then a couple more dents from the inside out. There's another one on this side here, running this way and up there. It's not that visible. The dent right here, you can see it right there. Of course, here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. Tire tread is at over 730 seconds. Got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. This vehicle does come with the 1-key key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Check it out. Turn it on for you guys. Got your AM/FM stereo system. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera right up here. Wow. Steering wheel could, this is what your instrument console looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Mileage 25,243. Keeping it moving. Got some scuffing here. Every light is there. Rear bumper looks pretty decent. These little corner pieces, this has like some sort of a little dent or something. That shit could be heated up and put back to place. Dent here, another dent here, and here. A couple of dings. Alright. This door is up, as you can see. This one here likewise. Boom. This is what your side cargo, or your cargo area looks like. Pretty nice. Does have the fender deals look good. This door looks good. Does have some sort of a cracking or something here on this door. I'll let you guys see it, know about it. Need some welding or something. The door does open and close right, so I don't see any issues there. This door, on the other hand, looks good. Doesn't have that type of issue here. All right. This quarter looks good. You got a heavy scratch here at 3 to 4 inches. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire tread is over 730 seconds. Got a dent here, so you can see it right there. Paint off. All right, but it is there. That's what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. And this is what your other side looks like. Your side compartment looks good. Floors look pretty decent. Scratched up, but you know, for a cargo van, it looks good. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. And your fender looks pretty darn good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And tire tread is at 630 seconds. Lights are on, things are working, things are fine. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase. Oh, snap. I didn't go up there with my ladder. Hold on 1 second, guys. All right. Boom, we're up on the roof. Everything looks fine up here. We look good. I don't see any problems, any dings, dents, anything like such as that. All right. So once again, folks, 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof short wheelbase with 25,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.